Hey beauty lovers, it's Antonia here with another exciting product review for you on Beautyistic. If you're in the market for a foundation that promises flawless, lawless, long-lasting coverage, you've probably come across the Too Faced Born This Way Soft Matte Foundation. But does it live up to its bold claims? Let's take a closer look. The Too Faced Born This Way Soft Matte Foundation comes in a liquid formula designed to provide a natural matte finish while still keeping your skin hydrated. It's marketed as long-wearing, waterproof, and oil-controlling, perfect for those with oily skin or anyone looking for a foundation that stays put throughout the day. The product is available in a range of shades, with the one I'm testing here being 15 Sand, which is described as a medium shade with golden undertones. It's a great match for those with warm undertones, but the shade selection spans quite a few options, so most people should be able to find their perfect match. When it comes to the formula, the foundation is packed with hydrating ingredients like coconut water, which helps balance skin moisture while still providing that sought-after matte finish. It's oil-free, so it's great for anyone prone to shine, but still delivers a smooth, even texture without feeling dry. In fact, the whole idea is to give a soft matte look without the cakey, dry effect that some other matte foundations can have. Now, how does it actually perform? I've been using this foundation for a couple of weeks now, incorporating it into my daily routine. Application was smooth, and it blends into the skin effortlessly. A little goes a long way. Just a pump or two covered my whole face, and I was impressed by the coverage, which I'd say is medium to full. You can definitely build it up without it looking heavy. It feels weightless on the skin, and the best part is that it doesn't oxidize. What you see in the bottle is what you get on your skin. I wore it in different conditions to really put it to the test. Throughout long work days, in humid environments, and even during a couple of light rain showers. The foundation truly holds up. No settling into fine lines, no fading or patchy spots. I could see the waterproof and oil-controlling claims shining through, as I didn't need to touch up much during the day. For those with oily skin like myself, this foundation definitely helps control shine without leaving your skin feeling suffocated or dry. However, I did notice one small downside. While the foundation does a great job at controlling oil, I'd suggest prepping your skin properly with a good moisturizer if you have drier skin, as it can sometimes feel a bit tight in certain areas. But for most skin types, especially those with combination or oily skin, this should be a non-issue. Let's break it down. Pros: long-lasting and waterproof, stays in place for hours without fading. Smooth, medium to full coverage that's buildable. Oil-controlling without drying out the skin. A wide range of shades to choose from, making it more inclusive. Feels lightweight and breathable on the skin. Cons: may feel a little tight on very dry skin unless you prep with a good moisturizer. Could be a little too matte for those who prefer a dewy finish. As for value for money, I'd say this product justifies the price tag. The quality is impressive for a high-end foundation. You're not only getting great performance, but also a product that truly lives up to its claims. The fact that it's waterproof and oil-controlling makes it worth it, especially for those who need something long-wearing. Now, if you're thinking of alternatives, there are some great options in the market. For instance, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation also offers similar oil control and long-lasting coverage, though at a slightly different price point. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and sturdy, with a pump that ensures no mess when dispensing. I love that it's travel-friendly and not prone to leaks, making it perfect for on the go. I haven't had direct interaction with Too Faced customer service, but based on their brand reputation, they're known for being pretty responsive. As for updates, the formula seems solid as is, and I haven't noticed any significant changes since its launch. So what's the final verdict? Too Faced Born This Way Soft Matte Foundation is a solid contender for anyone looking for a high-performance, long-wearing, oil-controlling foundation. Its matte finish won't leave you feeling dry, and the waterproof formula holds up under various conditions. It's an excellent option for oily skin or anyone in need of something that stays put all day long. Review call to action: If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find our videos too. Your support helps us keep making honest, in-depth reviews like this one. End of video engagement. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this foundation or have any thoughts about it, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your experiences. And as always, the link to purchase is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.